Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. In this video I'll be showing you how to transfer your shoulder dart to your side to have what is called a bust dart. This is actually method 3, okay, and you can also, whatever you can do on method 1 you can do on this pattern as well, okay. So the difference is not that much at all. So whatever you can achieve with that method 1 pattern, you can achieve with this method 3 pattern, okay. So now I'll be moving this to this side, okay. So anything is possible on this pattern. So I'll be moving this shoulder to the bust darts, and it's very easy to do. First, you notice that when I drafted this pattern, my dart started from the bust point. This is actually my bust line, okay, and this is my nipple point. Look at it, my dart starts from there. And you know, when I wanted to cut on fabric, I decided to go up by 1¼ inch, okay, to have this. So you know, I said that your dart, if you're cutting on fabric, it must not start from the bust point, it has to go up and go down, okay, to have, you know, ease for on the bust area. All right, so right now I'm not going to be using this blue dart line. No, I'm going to work with this line, the original shoulder dart that starts from the nipple point. So, and what do? I will slash this bust line. This is actually very simple. So I will slash this bust line. So I'm slashing to the nipple point now. So once I get to the bust point, I'm going to turn this my pattern, okay, and open. I can open this side, I can open this side, whichever one I choose is fine, okay. So I'm going to slash here, open. Now the idea is that you need to open or close a dart in order to open one, okay, or you open to close. You cannot open and open at the same time. You have to close to open another, or open to close another. So that's just the idea. So now that I have opened this line, I've slashed this bust line opened, and I have slashed one side of the shoulder dart open. So I'm going to be needing extra paper to place under it, okay. This is my brown paper, okay, so because I really want you to see what I'm doing, that's why I'm using this brown paper. So now I'm going to just carry my pattern jejely this way and place on it. All right, so this is what I have. So right now what do? I am going to close this dart you are seeing here, the shoulder that I'm going to close it, because I want to move this dart completely from here to the side, okay, to have what is called my bust dart or my side dart. So I have opened this line and I have opened this line. So what I will do is just to take this and cover up, okay. So I'll just move this to match with the second dart leg, okay. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'll be needing some tape. All right, so this is just to secure, okay. Now you can trim this out. You can see the dart excess here. Can you see it? So you can just trim this. We don't need this anymore. So just take it up this way and trim. Can you see what I have now? So I'm going to turn this way. Can you see it? It's not affecting my pattern in any way. All right, so this is steady. The waistline is steady. The center front is steady. And of course, I can't leave my dart opened this way. By the time I cut it on fabric, it has to be closed. Okay, so can you see it? Now I'm going to, because I want to cut, just trim this. I won't just trim. What I'm going to do is to fold in the darts before I trim. Okay. This is the outcome. This is as easy as ABC, as simple as ABC. So if you're cutting on your fabric, the same thing that I did here when I was trying to cut on my fabric, you know, you remember that I moved up by 1.25. So that's what you're going to do here. Okay, so you just move it up. So whatever you do on this part, you are going to replicate here as well. Your dart must not start from the bust point. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and like the video, share the video. You're very free, and thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.